Welcome YouTube. I hope you guys are okay. This is our weekly, weekly. Oh my God, why did I forget that? Weekly backtesting, weekly analysis. Jesus Christ, Leon. Where I go over the markets. We do a quick recap of last week and what happened. We'll quickly go over news, what's happening, and then obviously I'll answer all of your guys' questions. Fuck me, my words are slipping today. Let me just post this in the Discord, the YouTube link, and then we are good to go. Do that, and that is posted in all the different Discords, and we are live. Beautiful. Right, let me get the YouTube chat up and then the Discord chat up. Perfect. We got a lot of new faces in here today, so welcome everybody. Hope you guys are okay. Seems like you've changed your strategy. Do you think you'll do YouTube? Yes. Yeah. Yes, I will. Again, yeah. You guys just need to keep on calling me out because I'm just a little bit lazy sometimes. I can't lie. I've been trying to keep up with the TikToks. I've kept up with my personal TikToks. I'm now doing like the MCR trading ones as well. So short form content is there. It's just the long form content of YouTube. I am slipping with them. I'm staying up to date with the live streams and stuff. But the videos, because I want them to be like really nicely edited, it's so much effort. I recorded one the other week. It was about 40 minutes long, doing a deep dive into like my strategy, fib, ATR, levels, flows, alignment, all that stuff. And then at the end of it, I was like, no, it wasn't good enough. I scrapped it. I should have just gave it to you guys, really. But I'll make sure that's done this week, right? We were going to make a promise right here that if I don't upload a YouTube video by the end of this week, what should I do? What's the punishment if I don't upload a YouTube video by the end of this week? I reckon we'll do a fat giveaway. Right? I'll give someone £100, okay? £100 giveaway. Or I'll just give someone £100 in the server if I don't upload a YouTube video by the end of this week. Fat giveaway plus 10k run. To be fair, 10k run is probably more damage than £100. Yeah, I'd rather give away £100 than do a 10k run. Okay. Yeah, that's the punishment. There you go. £100 plus a 10k run if I don't upload a YouTube video by the end of this week. Okay, so there you go. A good video that's posted is much better than a great video that's never posted. Yeah, that's very true. Oh, let me mute that person. Thank you. Yeah, that's very true. Hello, Monkey. Monkey, do I call you Monkey or Monkey Rhythms? Monkey sounds weird. I'll call you Monkey Rhythms. Right. Pornstar Clips. Oh, that's a dodgy name. Jesus Christ. Hello, welcome. Fighter, welcome. Donate all your money to charity. Give it to me. Okay, that's two very contradicting comments. Give it to charity and give it to me. Okay. Sarah, okay, that's a lot easier. Thank you. Right, so last week we took one trade on USD. No, we didn't. Aussie dollar USD. This one was annoying. We trusted the stats, but it didn't go in our favor. So I've been back testing for a while now, putting stop loss to break even. Because if you don't know, I have two different take profits. I have my 1-to-1, which is what I normally used to do, was just trade 1-to-1. But now instead I have a new target. So I target like the next area of struggle. And what I do now is once we hit 1-to-1, I'll put stop loss to break even and just let it run. So it either comes to break even, stops us out, or it goes to take profit and we win. And the backtesting has told me, the stats have told me that putting stop loss to break even is more profitable. But the first two trades we've taken have both stopped us out at break even. So it's a little bit annoying, but we've just got to trust it long term. If the stats tell you, they tell you something, you got to trust it. As long as, you were recording those stats accurately and you weren't lying to yourself while you was doing that back testing, then it should be accurate. But yeah, this was annoying. So it hit 1-to-1. Entry was unbelievable, by the way. That was the entry. I know, probably don't believe it, but it was. Tapped 1-to-1. So I put stop loss to break even. It came down, tapped break even, and then went to full take profit. So that was a bit of an annoying one. And the only thing we had on that was the 61 fib. So it was the fib of this move up, and we had this daily level here, and that was literally it. I don't think there was an ATR or anything. So, oh shoot, yeah, there was an ATR just below. So we had ATR as well. What do you call me? Do you trade US 100? No, I just trade Forex pairs. So yeah, that was the only trade we took. There was so many trades last week. A lot of levels were tapped. I don't honestly know which ones. I can't remember, but there was a few. But we'll go over it today anyway. Like this level, a lot of people got played on pound Aussie last week because we had 3 nice levels that all got smashed. All 3 of these levels did a lot of drawdown and then ended up working. So there was a lot of pound flows last week. I think we had positive pound data on Wednesday, I think. Was it manufacturing? Yeah, I'm guessing it was this. Wait, was this last week? No, wait. Last week. It was, I'm guessing it was CPI. Yeah, CPI came out positive. Yeah, this was the data that then pushed pound. As you can see, we had a really nice move. Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday. As you can see, it was pretty much across every single pair. So taking sells was a little bit difficult, to be honest. You got to be very, very careful. That's what I've now incorporated with the strategy. That's what I call flows. So when, like, if we, for example, to go across every single pound pair and it was bullish on every single pair, so pound Aussie was bullish, pound CAD was bullish, pound Swiss was bullish, we're seeing pound flows. And once you see pound flows, that means there's either a news release, UK 100, the stock market is going crazy, the bond market is going crazy, or, you know, there's some weird news release that we wasn't on Forex Factory. So then you try and identify that and find the reason for those flows. And when we know flows are in place, that's when you need to be a little bit cautious when entering trades. Obviously, if there's, you know, bullish flows and you're entering sells, you've got to be really careful. You can only enter on like the strongest levels. So if you're trading like 4-hour levels, 15-minute levels, and there's flows, it's a bit of a dangerous ball game. I'll definitely wait until the strongest daily level if you're trading flows. Do you trade pairs developing or emerging in the market? What do you mean? Do you mean by like exotics and majors? What do you mean? Do you need help promoting your TikTok personal brand? No, I'm all good, mate. I'm doing it myself. Do you offer training for inexperienced traders? Yes. Yeah. So I teach everyone for free. I do free mentorship. Completely free. All you have to do is hop in the server, and I have a little section in the server, which is 1 second. If you go to the Start Here channel, right here, you scroll down, Leon's free mentorship, you click yes, or you click mentorship, and as you can see, these sections get unlocked. Here's all my analysis, mentorship things, little live streams. I do like breakdown. I don't do these every day because, of course, the markets don't change that often. I only did one this week. That's a bit lazy, but to be fair, there was only like it was only 1 day worth of volume really this week, and then obviously I post on my trades and you know, my call outs and stuff. So that's where you'll find it. Right, let's get to the actual analysis now, rather than we'll save some questions for like 5 minutes. Maybe change from daily vid. Yeah, I guess so. Daily vid sounds good though. Yeah, there's just no point making daily vids. If we're only trading daily levels, of course, it doesn't really change daily, I guess. Little GBL, yes. Okay, yeah. So no, I don't trade any exotics. I only trade the majors. You can see on the right here, these are all the trades I pair. Trades I pair, pairs I trade. So right, let's start off with pound Aussie. What do we have? Absolutely nothing was created on this move up. Pretty poor on the move up. If we nip to the 4 hour, there probably will be the odd thing. But I mean, not really. This is the only potential, this level here, that's actually done over 100 pips, 120, which, I mean, personally, I'm not interested in. So we don't really have any buy levels on pound Aussie. This fib is now useless because obviously there's no sell levels on it. These levels are now useless. The only thing we have really, you've got like a really rough break and retest here, or you have this level. I think I'd rather just wait for the level. So these are the 2 levels on pound Aussie. Well, and you know, the low. And then you've got these little weird levels here. So to be honest, on pound Aussie, absolutely nothing this week. Yes, I am a full-time trader, yeah. How long do you hold them from? I mean, I hold them until they hit take profit, which can be, I'd say, an hour to a day ish. It completely depends on a pair. If you trade something like GJ, 20 minutes and you've done like 40, 50 pips. My average take profit is probably about, I'd say 40 to 45 pips is my average. This level worked really nice last week. So yeah, it depends how long it takes to hit 40 pips. You know, if you're looking at like a crappy Swiss pair, then yeah, it might take a day to hit. Whereas compared to, you know, GJ pairs, JPY pairs, it will hit pretty damn fast. So yeah, this level worked really nice. That is now gone. We've got the high, obviously we've got the low. That low could be a fib. Let's have a quick look. No fib there really. So we're gonna have to rely on a nice little ATR lineup for that. That's a bit unfortunate. And we have this level, and this one's a bit awkward. So here we have this level and this level, but then we have that level as well. I think for me, I'd probably only take this trade. I wouldn't really, you know, use these levels, mainly because even if we did take sells from, let's say, this one, it's going to be a really awkward take profit because, you know, it could quite easily do something like this and then bounce off this level. So take profits are going to be very, very awkward. Probably still a lot of pips, to be fair, 30, 40 pips-ish. But I think I'd rather only take the, you know, just the first level, just to be safe. Is trading 212 a good brokerage or IC markets? No, trading 212, don't go with them. That's more for stocks trading, to be honest. It's not even really trading, it's more investing. Trading 212. Go with IC markets. Yeah, they're probably the best for Europe or UK. And they're more trading based. Yeah, so we have these two levels, and that's about it really. This could be a new level depending on the size of this move down. It's currently done 120, which technically is a valid level now. I'm looking for at least 100 pips, but one candle personally just isn't enough. I need it to do a bit more of a move, to be honest, and especially one day pullback. I'm not willing to take a trade off of that. It needs to be a few days minimum. So yeah, nothing really on pound CAD right now. Pound Swiss does have some interesting levels. There's no levels on a move up, which is unfortunate. Same as Pound Aussie. It's a very, very strict move up, so we've not really had many major pullbacks, which makes me believe we're probably going to see some sort of mean reversion down to like at least, you know, these levels. If we did see a rejection off of this level, you know, whack on the fib, we could see at least a push down to 23.38, something like that. So sells are getting very, very nice. Hopefully this one, I mean, this one does still line up. It's like 120 pips, and then we have this one as a backup, but there is no fib with this one here, unless you want to cheat the fib and do that, which I mean, I probably wouldn't do. I think I'd rather wait for an ATR on this one. So yeah, it's more just waiting for this fib and a level, and then we have the EMA just above. We've got the psych level 1. Oh shit, no, it's just above 1.1. Okay, so they're both a little bit above. I mean, entries for this would be, let's have a look. Let's whack on the 1-to-1. Top of the wick is about 1085, we'll call it. So entries probably around, I mean, we'd have to go to lower time frame. What's that? That's 7-1. I say like, I don't know, between that and 7-5 for entries, which means the psych level is only just in play. I doubt you really need the psych level as a backup anyway. The level is nice enough on its own. And that's the first level. There's no levels since this moved down, so this is the very first level it's going to approach anyway. So I think this is going to actually provide a really nice pullback. So yeah, sells on Pound Swiss. Bro, did the Forex fund company paid you with a 1 million account? I still haven't passed the 1 million account. It's been I passed stage 1 very, very fast, and stage 2 has been up and down. So yeah, I've not even passed it, so I couldn't tell you if I've got a payout yet. But I haven't heard anything bad. I know when I first talked about that 1 million account, people were going crazy because apparently Forex fund are very dodgy. But to be fair, I haven't heard a single bad thing about Forex Funder since that. I've never actually seen anything publicly. People just talk shit. Like in the comments saying, oh, Forex Funder didn't pay me out or whatever, but I never see any proof. And it's only on TikTok people are talking shit. So I don't know. Is capital.com a good one? Don't have a clue. I haven't used them, so I couldn't tell you. IC markets are definitely the best if you're wanting to pick one. A lot of people use IC markets. GJ worked a treat. The high worked, but it didn't have an ATR or anything. And then this little fight level, I don't think it did it. Oh, it did a little move. How many pips is that? A little move. That's almost, bloody hell, that's 50 pips. Yeah, 50 pips. Okay, fair enough. They both worked. How much drawdown did it do from the wick though? 28. Yeah, so you would have got stopped out really. There's no chance you would have entered at the very high. GJ, again, really annoying with this pound-driven data. It's just created no pullbacks at all. Yeah, that's the problem why I did not buy anything from them. Yeah, just go with someone safe. My two favorites at the minute are FTMO and Alpha Capital. Don't underestimate the daily intros. I know. Oh yeah, I opened a £200 live account actually. I'm going to be forward testing. Should I... Sorry, got the hiccups. I might open a separate channel in my little mentorship bit for my forward testing because I'm going to be taking little levels like this, like little fight levels. Sorry, I won't offend you, JJ. The daily intro levels. I'm going to start taking, and then like break and retest. I'm going to start taking, and just other trades that I wouldn't normally take. I'm going to start taking on my forward testing account just to, again, boost a little bit of confidence, and obviously it's good for data collection. Very, very good for data collection. So I'm going to start doing that, and I'll let you guys know how it goes and the trades I'm taking. Have you ever had a problem with FTMO? No, I haven't. FTMO have literally never had a problem. Payouts have been on time every time. No problems with like slippage or spread or anything like that. It's been completely fine. So recommend FTMO, definitely. Now they've got, you know, unlimited time, and they've introduced like the Prime and Supreme Trader and stuff, where you can get like higher max capital and bigger accounts and like almost instantaneous payouts. Can't remember what else. Higher profit split. So yeah, I definitely recommend FTMO now. They're pretty damn good. Yeah, GJ, I'm not really interested in. Yeah, it's got these little intro levels, but there's nothing really there. GN, again, we got a weird little... Well, did this level work, actually? This was just a normal level. This level did work. Which, did it line up with Fib? Didn't line up with that one. Did it line up with this one? 61 was just above. I think that's too far away, to be honest. It tapped into it. Missed the top of the wick by... I can't select it. Why isn't it on me? Missed the top of the wick by 24 and did 72 pullback. So yeah, that would have been a miss, most likely. However, we could see this as a break and retest. So I have two conditions for break and retests that I'm testing really. Why can't I speak, man? Testing right now. We have like the clean break and retests, and then we have like the rough break and retests. I'm trying to see, you know, the win rate for both and if one works better than another. So I guess it's similar to like for the ICT people or the SMC, liquidity dudes, whatever you guys trade, supply and demand. A clean break for me is when it forms an imbalance. So for example, if we had a level here, and as you can see, it got broken by a really nice clean candle, just one daily candle straight through the level, and then we saw the retest. For me, that would be a clean retest, and those are the only type of retests I'd enter at the minute. But I want to start testing, you know, just normal retests. So for example, this would just be a messy break and retest for me, this one. So we broke the level, as you can see. Messy break because it pissed about for a little bit. As you can see, it came through, broke back through, saw a really nice move up, and then we saw the retest. And as you can see, that retest worked really nicely. Oh, 1 second. That retest worked really nicely compared to the other types of retests I trade, which are the normal ones. Let me try and find an example real quick. Like this would be a clean retest. So here we've got a level, and as you can see, it was broken by one clean candle, no interference at all. If we go back to it, as you can see, it's just clean, super clean. And now I will happily trade that retest. Where has it gone? This is super annoying there. So that for me would be my normal type of retest, but I do want to start. I mean, to be fair, it actually did work pretty nicely. Wow, that was a long-term retest as well. But I do want to start taking like the messy ones where the break is a bit uneven, just to see how they work. But of course, I will trade them with like fibs or ATR. So it's still same like entry conditions, but it's just, you know, the condition of break is different. So I'd whack a fib on this. As you can see, no fib lines up, so I wouldn't take that trade currently. But if the ATR lines up, then yeah, sure I will. So there's the two different types of break and retests. How do you use the Fibonacci retracement? So really quickly, if you have a move up like this, you draw it with the move. So you'll get your fib, start it from the very start of the move, from the very low, because obviously this is low to the high. Price moved up, and then you draw it to the highest point, so like that. Or, you know, if price is doing the opposite and it's currently moving down, you'll draw it with the trend again. You don't draw it like this backwards, you draw it with the trend. So from the historical point to the current point. And then what you're looking for with Fibonacci is you're looking for price to retrace, and you're looking to see a continuation from one of these. So it's going to retrace to one of these levels, and then you're going to see a continuation. And vice versa. If you're looking for sells, you draw your fib like this from this level to, you know, the current low, and you're waiting for a retracement to one of these fib levels, and then you're waiting for a continuation like that. That's how you trade a fib. And how do you know which level to trade from? That's when you can, you know, use levels or whatever confidences you want to use, to be honest. So for example, let's say we have this move, right? We draw the fib. Look at that, it lines up bang on. I knew it. You'll say like, which one do I trade from? Well, I trade them with levels. So is there any level at the 23? No. Is there any level at the 38? No. Is level at any level at the 50? No. However, at the 61, as you can see, there's a really nice level. So not only do you have the 61 fib, you have this strong level that price can potentially bounce from. So straight away, you got to think in like statistics. So, you know, if we just draw a random fib on here, and you're taking like a buy from the 38 fib, you know, statistically, what are the chances of that working? You want the statistics to be on your side rather than that having, let's say it had a 20% chance of winning. Well, what about if we matched it up with a really strong daily level? Straight away, the probability has gone in your way, and now it's got an 80% chance of winning. And let's say then the ATR lines up, now you've got a 90% chance of winning. And let's say, you know, pound CAD lines up with sales as well. Now you got a 99% chance of winning. You just got to stack the probabilities, which is why trading levels makes it so much easier, because straight away, as soon as you're just trading off of daily levels, the strongest daily levels, like this one or this one, if you start going to, you know, the 30-minute time frame and you're finding miniature levels, of course, the chances of it providing a decent pullback from a little 30-minute level is much less compared to a strong daily level, which is why, you know, you just setting yourself up for, I mean, a higher chance of winning when you just trade these big fat daily levels. Yo, Mello, only on daily levels you're going to be doing the break and retest. Yeah, 100%. Yeah. Yeah, don't offend him. Yeah, you think I'm going down to the 4 hours trade break and retest, JJ? No chance. I already went through that pain once. I'm not doing it again. Can you explain how to use ATR? So ATR is very simple. To get it, it's unfortunately it's an invite only indicator. So you do have to, sorry, I'm going to put you on mute so there's no background noise. You have to go to my little channel called Stats, and it'll be there, ATR indicator. You click that, it'll take you to the TradingView link. I had to put it as private because TradingView just, when I uploaded it as public, they had some weird problems with it. I don't know. You just click favorite. 1 second, and then let me move the Discord back over here, and then all it does is add these 2 lines onto your chart, these little squiggly lines, and you want to set it to 20. It should be set at 20 automatically, I'm pretty sure, but you can change the look back. That's basically, you know, how far in the past it goes. And all it is, ATR is used as it can be used as many things really. It's used as a volatility measure, sort of like Bollinger Bands, so you can see when it's like oversold, overbought. No, 1 second, am I getting that mixed up? Oversold or overbought? Yeah, that's it. I don't know why I was saying undersold. So when it, you know, when it passes the high, then that means it's overbought. Yeah, okay, just make sure I get that right. And when it passes low, it's oversold. So you most of the time you're going to see some sort of a pullback once it passes this level or taps this level. A lot of people use it for their stop losses, like they put their stop loss just above. People use it as their trading stop loss, their take profit. You can use it as many things, but the way I use it is as a basic support and resistance. So if you go back and have a look, what I'll do is, well, you can see if I change the look back on it to like, let's say 100, we can just go back in time and see if there was any taps. So like here, we saw a tap into it and it made a nice move. Here, I mean, it technically just missed. Okay, we're going to have to go back quite far to see. But if you can line up ATR with a nice level, you'll see some really, really, really nice taps. I don't know if there was any this week. Like here, for example. There you go. So see, I had a really nice tap and saw a really nice move. If you would have lined that up with a level, let's say there was a previous level over here, and you know, ATR then lined up with the previous level, and you take sells from that. I know it looks, this is what it'll normally look like, so you need to turn it down, otherwise it'd be very messy. I just have it on 1, so it's, you know, you can keep it on your charts at all time and it doesn't look disgusting. But yeah, I'll do a full video on that, don't worry. So yeah, for the people who trade my strategy, I may as well do a little bit of an announcement. Well, it's not really an announcement. I'm going to give it an official name soon, because we don't really have a name for it. We just trade levels, or a few people call it fibs and wicks, because that's what like the strategy name is on CTrader. We sort of moved away from that. We trade levels more than just wicks, I guess. Levels and fibs and ATR. I don't know what you want to call it, so we're gonna give it its own name. But before that, I'm gonna create like a full playlist on YouTube. I'm gonna do a full breakdown. So I'm gonna do, what videos have we got? We've got a full strategy breakdown. That'll be the first one. Then we'll have a how to identify levels, how to use the fib, how to use the ATR, how to identify flows, how to use alignment, entry model, how to enter a trade, take profits, and apart from that, how to backtest efficiently and how to use that data to, you know, change your trading. And I think that's pretty much everything. ICT on top, even better. TGR, right? Okay, don't go there. What is one of the best indicators that can help you make profits in Forex? There isn't a best indicator. There isn't one. Every indicator is different, and to be honest, you're going to make the most money by learning how price moves on its own. Naked price action. You don't want to rely on indicators to make your money. Like if you go, like that's what everyone does. As soon as you go into the markets, you want to add as much on your chart as possible to make it look like you're Einstein. And the more indicators you have on your chart, the more money you can make. That's what everyone thinks in the beginning. As soon as I started trading, right, the first thing I added on my chart was RSI, and I thought I was a genius. I was like, okay, if RSI is overbought, I'm going to sell. I'm going to make money. Every single time it's overbought, it goes down and I make money. And then I started using Bollinger Bands. I started using Ichimoku, MACD, Stochastic Oscillator. What else did I use? Started using fibs. But no, you want to learn how price just moves and use levels. Like levels is the main thing you want to use. Like in every single strategy, levels is the key to that strategy. Some people see levels differently. Like, you know, obviously like ICT traders, they'll look for like imbalances or like fair value gaps, order blocks, that type of stuff. You know, basic support and resistance people more look at the wicks and like, you know, these levels. Whereas, you know, an ICT person will look for like the little order block or whatever it is. I don't know. Everyone looks at levels differently. So as long as you know what levels are and you know how they're respected and when they're broken and how different market conditions like will change the way levels are approached, just learning these different things, that is the main thing you need to do. Fuck off indicators until you know how price moves like religiously, and then you can start exploring the odd indicator. Yeah, but they're all different. Yeah, there isn't a best one. I just made a video on that today actually about strategies and how there isn't a best strategy, because everyone thinks there is. Like when I started learning as well, I saw like a few ICT videos. I saw like some fib videos. I saw some like RSI strategies. And I was like, what if I can combine every single one of them and have one mega strategy? Then I'd be like the best trader in the world. That's what I thought. I thought if I combined RSI, Bollinger Bands, Ichimoku, levels, fibs, ICT, every single strategy together, it'd be the best strategy ever. But yeah, I tried it and let's just say it didn't work. But it happens with almost all of us. Then ending with simple and accurate things like fib and price action. Yeah, exactly. Imagine using IA. IA, do you mean AI? To combine all the strategies on Earth. Yeah, I don't think that'd be possible. Yeah, I don't think so at all. Thanks, mate. Thank you, DeMarcus. So yeah, anyway, back to the stuff. Jesus Christ, it's been 40 minutes and we've not even been through pound pairs. I appreciate the questions, to be honest. It's better having questions. Otherwise, I just do the analysis and that'll be done. I like it when you guys ask questions, but if it gets too many questions, then I'll just let me know if I'm blabbering on too much, because sometimes I do like to rant. Challenge accepted. Go for it, Surgical. You do it. You try and combine 10 strategies and make it work. You got this. In France, it's IA. Wait, what? So AI in France is called IA. Nah, you're having a laugh. That's not right. There's no chance. What, they just put it back to front just for the sake of it? Intelligence artificial. No. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, that makes sense, to be fair. IA. That's so funny. Okay, of course the two mods have a go at me. You're blabbering too much. Yeah, you are. Shut it. Wow, I love my supportive mods. Love them so much. Anyway, GU, yeah, we got buys from this level and we have sells from this level, but obviously there's no ATR there at the minute. This has a really nice fib level. It's pretty wide. It's like 40 pips, so we got enter pretty low, to be fair, but yeah, it is pretty nice. There are a lot of words that aren't in the same order in France. Yeah, it just sounded funny when you said IA. EA, whatever it is. Again, no moves on the move up, no moves, no retracements, which means not really, many good daily levels you can trade from, which is really annoying for us because now we only have that sell and then we have this buy. That's literally it on Euro Aussie. So we've got 2 setups so far. Euro CAD, this is a scary one because it's just been ranging forever. I honestly don't know if I'm that interested in this level, just because it's been stuck in this terrible range for like, what's that, 2 months? 2 months. I'm okay, thank you. I mean, it did respect that one and work pretty well though. It did like 70 pips and hovered for a few days. Again, when this level was created, it came back down, hovered for a few days, then worked. Yeah, I'm not massively fond. The sell levels, I'm definitely not keen. No chance. Do we have like a fib or anything lining up with this? If we have a fib, then, maybe. No, not really. I'll set an alert and we'll keep an eye out on it, but I'm not overly keen. You've tried to combine strategies with AI. Yeah, I bet that's not fun. Euro Swiss does have a really nice level. Again, no moves up, no levels on the move up, which is very annoying. So we only have this sell level. There's no fib lining up, so we just got to wait for ATR hopefully, or some sort of alignment. So yeah, that's it on Euro Swiss, just one level. Euro JPY, again, this is a very weird one. I'd rather take this one. This one's a bit nicer, but there wasn't much wick. I prefer that one. So again, Euro JPY, we've just got the high with no fib, potentially an ATR trade, and this. When no moves up, would you go down to the 4 hour for a strong move on the way back down? No chance. No, I'd rather just, there's no point. What's the point in trying to force a little 4 hour level when I can just find like pound Swiss or pound dollar that has a nice trade this week? I'd rather just be patient and play, the strong level game. There's no point, trying to force a trade when there's nothing there. I'd rather, if we go through now, there's still probably another 5 trades. So even if we have 7 setups for next week, that's more than okay. I'd rather do that, you know, rather than hopping down to lower time frames and risking capital, which is just completely unnecessary. I'd rather just not trade for a week rather than trade a 4-hour level. That's that may be a bit offensive to you, JJ. But yeah, I trade 5 minutes. Fucking monk. Euro Swiss, that level. Yep, Euro JPY, those levels. Okay, Euro NZD. Euro NZD missed the break and retest by like 7 pips. This is one thing I'm backtesting with break and retest as well as entry models. So I'm currently entering break and retest based off the exact level. Like I'd enter at this bang on level here. I won't enter 5 pips above, 5 pips below. I'm just basing it off the exact level. But I'm also recording like the average drawdown and the average miss. So, you know, if the average miss is like 5 pips and we're missing like 50% of them, then yeah, you know, I'll start moving my entry down. Would you use that with it being Friday close? Yeah, I was a little bit iffy with this. But yeah, I think it's still a valid level though. This is because of... Right, I'm not even going to attempt to... Let's just put that into a dictionary. Heteroskedasticity. One second. Heteroskedasticity. One sec, let me try that one more time. Heteroskedasticity. Stasticity. Fuck me. Can you put it out in like, you know, where like they put it in the little speech things? One sec, one more time. Heteroskedasticity. Heteroskedasticity. Fuck me. That's a difficult one, that. Someone else try saying that. That is pretty difficult. Anyway, I don't even know what... Oh, my camera's died. Fuck's sake. Okay, you guys are going to chill with no camera for a minute. Oh, I didn't know that. 1 second. That's the bad thing about this camera that really pisses me off, man. It dies pretty fast. Because I'm recording in 4K, it like absolutely eats the battery. I've turned it off for a minute and give it 2 seconds. I think it was never on. Yes, it was. Don't say that. Heteroskedasticity. Hey, come on. No aux jack. What? Right, don't start that. You can't hear me, right? You imagine the entire time. I agree it wasn't. Right, you guys are getting banned. Alright, let me carry on. Anyway, this is a nice break and retest. It's a clean break, but I don't think price has pushed up enough to see a decent retest. Do you think the price will still go up or not? I don't know. Again, as traders, we don't sit here and predict price. We just react. And I fucking don't know. I don't know if it's going up or down. All I know, if it hits this level, I'm taking a sell. I can't predict where price is going. That's it. I just react when the market does something I want. Yeah, I couldn't tell you. I don't have a clue. But I mean, yeah, that seems like the logical level that it's coming to. I don't know. I wish I did know and I would be a millionaire, but unfortunately I don't. So yeah, that level's done. The fib is useless now, and there's no levels on this move up again. We just have this weird little retest, which I'd rather it push a little bit higher before retesting. That would be nice. So I'm not too interested in that. Euro USD does have a nice setup. It has a nice sell at the 50 fib, which is a valid level. 120 pips. I'll go for it. Why not? And the fib is pretty nice. And we have the psych level. Bang on with the psych level. So this is actually a nice setup. So we'll whack that. Thank you for... I didn't know you can like send emoji things in the YouTube. I appreciate you guys. If you guys want to drop a little like on the YouTube, feel free. That would be much appreciated. Moves up. We have the 61 just below that level, which is a little bit annoying. Like 13 pips below, which is very annoying. But that is a valid level. I think we'll just look for the sells on EU for now. Aussie dollar CAD. Again, this is a clean break and retest. Oh, here we go. One sec, let me go back to Gimo's thing. Heteroskedasticity. Heteroskedasticity. Have I got a lisp or something? Heteroskedasticity happens when the standard deviations of a predicted variable monitored over different values of an independent variable. Right, you've already lost me. You already lost me. Want us to know the different values of an independent variable or related to prior time periods are non-constant. It means stuff changes more on 5min than 4 hour. The momentum, standard deviation, the average. Oh, right. Yeah. That makes sense. Yeah. Well, it has more skew at smaller time frames. Well, this translates to small time frames are harder to predict than high time frames. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Low time frames are more heteroscedastic. Heteroscedastic. That is crazy. Clip it. Hey guys, am I too late for the foot? Right. JJ, you're getting timed out for a week. You can do one. Hey, we're halfway through. We're almost there, all right? We got 10 minutes and I'm going to finish it. Thank you, Lytix. Yeah, you tell him, Lytix. You know what, Lytix? I'm going to take mod off JJ and you can be mod. How about that? Do you usually write on private chat? I received a friend. No, I don't. I rarely do. Most of the time, I won't really DM you until you've DM'd me. You guys can DM me. That's completely fine. But I rarely DM first. Oh, what the fuck was that noise? Let me just mute that person. I don't think it was that person, but I will just in case. Where do you find /request at ATR? Go to my little mentorship section and you should see a channel called Stats. There we go. Anyway, right, back to Aussie dollar CAD. I'll quickly finish this off. Break and retest potential. It's a clean break and retest. I think that's technically a miss. We missed the wick by like 7 pips and it's done 40. So that is a miss. Other sells, we don't really have any. So bit of an L. You got this weird level here, which I'm definitely not taking. We do have this buy level, which is probably the next setup. And that is going to line up beautifully. No, it's not going to line up at all, is it? Oh, we have a nice setup. That is a really nice one. Yeah, it's a market close / market open. But I'm still willing to take that, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm willing to go for that. Yeah, definitely. Aussie dollar CAD buys. It's a 61. There you go, boom. What is the win percentage for this strategy? 1-to-1, it's roughly 70 to 80% based on, I'd say 75 to 80. Obviously, I mean, based on how good you are, I guess. Or if you want to tone it down and aim for the bigger risk reward and target like the take profit ones, it's going to be around 65%. That's what I found, 65 to 70. So you're taking a bit of a hit on the win rate. But actually, shit, no, I need to change that because the win rate isn't factoring in stop loss to break even, because I'm saving quite a lot of losses by putting stop loss to break even. So the win rate is probably still pretty decent. But obviously you got quite a few trades that hit and break even, which is fine. Let me try and turn the camera back on now so you guys can see my lovely face. Oh, will it work? No? Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. It did work. Nice. Right, so it was... All right, who was lying before saying the camera wasn't on? You're getting banned. The camera was on. Yeah. Mods, someone find who it was and ban him. Aussie dollar Swiss. I'm only joking. Don't actually ban him. I'm joking. Hey, easy. Welcome. Hope you're okay, mate. It was JJ. Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah, I'm doing well. How are you, easy? Aussie Swiss. We have this level, and that is about it. We have this weird wick here, which is technically a level. If you go to the 4 hour, obviously that was a decent move, but I'd rather not with Aussie Swiss. Aussie Swiss is a very scary one to trade just because of how slow and boring it is, man. So boring. So, yeah, we got this sell level on Aussie Swiss, but I'm honestly not bothered. AJ does have really nice buy levels. We got the 38, sorry, and the 50 just below, which could be really nice. And then we have the high. So it's mainly buys on AJ for the actual sell, but you know, highs could work with ATR. Aussie NZD, we have a really nice sell level. I posted this on MCR Trading Instagram. I'm not sure if he has the right. Okay, I'm not even on. Yeah, you can. Okay. You know what? I was actually, I don't want YouTube to like censor me for this at all, but I was thinking for marketing, right? I know it's okay. Yeah, you know what? Yeah. No, I'm not even going to say that. No, never mind. No, because someone will clip it and then, yeah, I'm not. No, it's okay. Okay, I'll say it. I was thinking of starting an OnlyFans. Not for what you think, but to post my trading setups. Okay. Right, chill. No, none of that. No, I was thinking, right, how funny would it be to start an OnlyFans and post my trading ideas on there? Because it isn't, OnlyFans isn't for what, what it's used for. OnlyFans is for like fans, well, celebrities and stuff that have fans and they want to post private content. It wasn't originally based for that stuff. Yeah, so that's a pretty cool idea. Who else has done that? Who else has got an OnlyFans and he posts trading setups on there? We can do live analysis on OnlyFans. I think that we okay, right, okay. You know what? Never mind. Gonna get some backlash for that one, aren't I? Cancelled. Patreon. No, Patreon's boring. OnlyFans is cool. Yeah, imagine if I actually had an OnlyFans. Yeah, posted it on my Instagram. Imagine on my Instagram with like all my old friends from like college and high school subscribe to my OnlyFans. I actually want to do that. That would be pretty cool. Right, okay, no, that's too far. Post on PH, you have the same color as the logo. Today the market smashes. Oh, that's funny. Oh yeah. Should I start posting my weekly breakdowns on PH? Yeah, I'm not actually going to save the word because I don't want to get, I don't know, destroyed. Yeah. Destroyed by GJ. Trying to think of someone come up with some creative titles. Whoever comes out with the most creative titles gets a pat on the back. Go on, I'll read them in a minute. I won't read them for a minute. Come up with some really creative titles for that type of video, and then I'll read them in a second. And we'll give, whoever gets the best one wins. I'll carry on with the analysis without looking. If I look over this way, that means I'm looking at chart. If I look this way, I'm looking at my charts. Aussie NZD, yeah, we got sales from 61. This is really nice. Yeah, fucking really clean this setup. I'm really hoping that taps. We have seen some Aussie bullish movement, so I hope this continues, to be honest. We need NZD weakness. And I know pound NZD is... That's, good. NZD weakness. Ish. Okay, right. I'm going to look at the comments now. Here we go. We're going to smash some markets. Let me just whip out these big green candles. That's too long for a title. That's good. Destroyed by news. Okay. GJ smashed my level and took me out. Okay, I'm not saying that one. Mancunian smashes EU weekly. She hit my fib and I explode. That's the best one so far. Yeah, you win that one. Yep, you win. No, because that doesn't even make sense, that one, Gimo. That one doesn't even make sense. The market finally put it in there. Nah, she hits my fib and I explode. That's the best one so far. Right, well, we've got some video ideas. Perfect. Aussie US dollar. Right, we've been going on quite a while. BWC. I can't give a straight face. It's cool. That is so good. Oh, that is good, JJ. I'm gonna start crying. Oh. Oh, fuck. Oh, man, that was good. Jesus Christ. I didn't even read it out. Yeah, sorry, easy. I'm on Discord. I don't even know. What does BWC stand for? What does BWC stand for, JJ? Oh, BWC breaks his Bollinger Band. Oh, God, that was good. Oh, this candle was very hard to take. Oh, God, right. Oh, I'm sweating. Jesus Christ. Oh, JJ, you win that one. Sorry, Chemo, you got you got destroyed there. Yeah, that was good. Breaks his Bollinger Band. Oh, calm down. Calm down. Right, no, that's too far. Hold on a minute. What an hour, right. Who's done that? Come on. No. Well, we've got the thumbnail and the title now. Sorted. Oh, God. Whew, Jesus Christ. Whew, Jesus. Right, let's carry on with the analysis. God. What prop firm are you affiliated with? I'm not really affiliated with any to be honest. Oh, yeah, JJ, that was good. Anyway, let me carry on. Aussie dollar, US dollar, what do we have? This level's worked nicely. We have no more fib levels. We do have a break and retest. Clean break and retest. Which could be nice. Is there a fib there? Let's see. Ooh, how many pips is that? 16. I'm willing to take that. I'll take that on my forward testing account. JJ beat me at my own trend. Yeah, you got beat there. Welcome, easy. Hello. Converted over to YouTube, not YouTube, Discord. YouTube viewers have gone down now. Oh shit, let me pause that. There we go. Yeah, that's the only thing I see really, that break and retest. Apart from that, we have this level down here and we have the high, of course. So I think that break and retest is going to be a little forward testing trade, which should be fun. NZD CAD. This is another break and retest level. However, this would more be classed as a messy break and retest, purely because, I mean, as you can see, it broke, rebroke. So bit of a bummer. I'm not super keen on that. I would take it as a forward testing just to see how it works. And that's about it. We do have that level, which is going to be a perfect 61 fib. Fuck, no, it's not. It's going to be a perfect 61 fib. No, it's not. Okay, never mind. Okay. We do have this little level as well. This daily intro level. JJ, you can take this one, mate. This level here, if that lines up with ATR, that could be really nice. However, it did provide a pullback from this level as well. So the chances of it giving a pullback on this level as well, probably pretty slim. I think I'd rather just wait for that one. NZD Swiss, it's been ranging. It's boring as hell. We got level down here, level up there. Literally nothing else. NJ, we have the high. And apart from that, I mean, you have the 38, which could have been a level. Okay, my camera's died again. I need to sort the camera. I need to see how on earth like the streamers stream for like 8 hours straight and the camera's fine. I think you need like a better battery or something, because my battery's on charge right now whilst I'm recording this, but it still dies so fast because just the 4K stuff just destroys it, man. I need to get like a you must be able to get a bigger battery or something. Yeah, this level's nice, and that's about it. The 38 is invalid now because this wick sort of tapped into it and used it, so I'm not really willing to go for that. So we don't really have that fib there anymore. It's called an aux cable. Is that actually what you? Oh, you're being serious, Surgical, before. An aux cable. Isn't an aux cable audio? What camera? I have a Sony ZV-E10. ZV? Sony ZV-E10? No, yeah. This one. This one. Yeah, like if any of you do tech stuff, let me know. Seriously, yeah, it plugs into the wall, so no battery. What? Really? Okay. Do I have to get I'll have a look. I'm guessing I had to get like a specific one. Oh, let me turn the camera off. So there you go. Nothing on NJ. I'll have a research because I really need that, because I hate it when my camera dies. Constantly dies. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I'll have a look. This level was used and it worked. It did like 40 pips. Unfortunate miss though, because this tapped like just after Aussie dollar, US dollar. And I think we had... Did we have ATR line up with this? I'm pretty sure we did. Yeah, ATR was at the level. So it's, as you can see, this is what I mean by ATR and the level. So here was your level. And ATR technically lined up. It was 7 pips below. No worries, Libby. Thank you for hopping in. And thank you, JJ. Thank you, man. Thanks for the title. It ain't started yet. Right. Okay. Right. Cheers. That's it on NZD/USD. Apart from that, we have that, which is bang on 100 pips, which isn't the best, but I guess it is the next level when it comes to sells. And then buys is all the way down here. We have this little intro level as well, 115, which could be possible, but I'm not too keen. USD CAD, no buy levels. You've got this wick here, which is valid, but I'd rather just wait for a nice sell level like this. Fuck me, you are the best. Thank you. No way. Okay, never mind. I'll do it after. Is that what I need? I think it got cancelled. Got to wait till next Sunday, I guess. Right. Okay. Is this how we're gonna go now? Right. Thank you. I don't know how to say your name. RHX. Thank you. I'll have a look and I'll see. It's an AC cable with fake battery. Oh, okay. Perfect. I'll get that ordered. Hopefully that will come tomorrow. That'll be perfect. Yeah, nothing really here, man. There's literally the buy level and the sell level. Nothing else. USD Swiss. We have the 61 fib and that level. There's nothing else. So that is just still sells. Let me set a little alert. So that taps me on. I set an alert so I don't have to sit on the charts all day, every day. Again, this UJ, there's nothing. Oh, wait, no, never mind. We have this level. It's a weird level, but it technically is a really nice level. UJ moves fast. So we took sells from this level and it like, I think it did 30 pips and stops us at a break even and then hit stop loss. So I think we got saved on that, to be fair. I use them all the time for clients for 4K video. Oh, thank you. Perfect to use that. Can someone unmute me later? I didn't know I was on. Yeah, I'll unmute you now. Where are you? Oh, wait. You're not on server mute. Oh, Josh did it. Oh, okay. There you go. Right, hold on. How are you fast enough to do that? Weekly Forex analysis, PH/trading titles. Yeah, that's nice. By the way, for the new people that hopped in today, it's not normally like this. We normally, you know, by 5 minutes ago, normally takes an hour and we've done all the analysis and we're done. It's just when we get childish people like JJ, okay, hop in and say silly things. You think any of us are listening? Right. You know what? This is the last weekly breakdown of 2024. That's it. Yeah, Monkey Rhythms, Sarah, I promise they're not normally like this. It is just normally, you know, just nice, normal questions. Maybe the odd, like, you know, psychology question or like, oh, I'm having trouble with a funded account or I've got this set up. I do my analysis and that's about it. No, I enjoy it though. It's very... What? He's probably thinking about other women. Leon, wonder if my cam is on. You're pretty fast with this, JJ. That's pretty good. I am impressed. Yeah, no, I do appreciate this. When you guys put in the questions and the funny shit, it's way better, to be honest. I'd rather that rather than, you know, just a serious, just sat there for an hour straight doing analysis. These are so much more fun. Makes it enjoyable for me rather than just answering your boring questions. I'm joking. Yeah, UJ, we got to sell. Buys, you got some, again, like little intro levels, which are good, but can you really take those as a daily level? They are technically a daily level, but they're ugly. It's 2 candles. Yeah, it lines up with the fib and stuff, but the 4 hour makes it look so much more attractive. I don't know. I think I just need to do some back testing on like UJ. It's always JPY pairs that give those weird levels, like a shit ton of pips, but like it just looks disgusting on the daily. Okay, we got CAD Swiss cells and we also have U Swiss cells, which is, oh no, CAD Swiss. Yeah, sorry. This is nice. I don't know if that's 100 pips. Oh, it's not even 100 pips. Bollocks. I guess we can use CAD Swiss as alignment for USD Swiss. Is that USD Swiss level 100? Yeah, 150. That's nicer. Okay. CAD JPY, we have the high. We have this fib level. I'm not gonna mark it out because it's not fib. I'd rather just, you know, wait and see if ATR lines up. That could be a Monday trade. Jesus Christ! If ATR lines up, market open, that could be really nice. Yeah, set an alert, perfect. And then the last pair, Swish JPY. This thing moves vile. Oh wait, no. Oh shoot, wait, no, it moves all right. That level's, I feel like that's not as bad. Let's quickly see. Oof, it's a wide level though. 46 pips. It is a wide level, but you also have to break in retest as that level. So I guess, I mean, if we saw ATR line up with that as well, I'd take it, sure. But obviously we're gonna have to get a safe entry on that. ATR line up, and yeah, go for it, why not? Let's mark that out for buyers. There we go. What do you think is the best way to become a full-time trader? Like, what challenges to buy? I mean, you need to be consistently profitable before you even consider like becoming a full-time trader. If you need to be like, let's say what, profitable for 6 months minimum, like consistently profitable, not like on the edge, you know, 1% here, maybe not 2%, like making good percentages, like average 5% for 6 months in a row. Like you're doing good. Then hop onto the funded accounts. You're not exactly going to go crazy and go straight to 500k. Just start off on a 5k, then up it to a 50k, then 100k, 200k. There is no rush at all. I know you want to be full time and escape the matrix and this shit and not working 9 to 5, but take your time. If you start rushing it and start putting these like unrealistic goals of like, oh, I want to be a full-time trader by the end of the year, you're just going to fuck yourself up because you're going to put this just subconscious pressure on yourself that'll just mess you up long term. Just take it very, very slow. But I'd say to go full-time trading, if you're making like, I don't know, you got to incorporate like, you know, the bad months like December or when the market's terrible, that, you know, you might make 1% or no percent. You might even lose. So what, 200k, realistically, what, let's say you make 3, maybe 4% a month. What's that after profit splits? I mean, wait, what? No, 4%. Oh, that's 8k. After profit splits, you're looking at about 6,400. So I mean, that's pretty good. But again, when the markets are pretty shit, you know, that's going to be from 6k, it might be 1k. You know, if you got a family to feed, you know, and you've got a house to pay for, then it's fucking risky. I'd be looking like at least 200ks and like very good consistency and building up like a back pocket of money. Like put 10k, build like 10k of savings or like, you know, a year's worth of all your bills and then potentially leave a job. Or whatever. But I mean, if you have no responsibilities and like you're at home with your parents or, you know, you're at uni, college, whatever, then yeah, sure, go for it. Once you pass the 200k and you've got like, let's say 5 payouts in a row or something, then yeah, go for it. You can take that risk. That's what I did because I know, I mean, my old job, I was just part-time earning like 1,000 a month. I mean, I was only part-time because I wanted to put all my focus into trading and the content and making this shit work. And luckily it did, because I put the fucking work in. And now, yeah, I full-time trading and I do like social media stuff. Obviously, I work with like 369. I think you guys have seen them do some stuff. So I help with 369. I've done some like little jobs along the way. I worked with Alpha Capital, worked with Vantage, the Forex broker, and little things. Yeah. And I do my social media, which I earn not much money from, I'll say that. I mean, I've earned the odd bit doing like promo videos, but that was ages ago. I don't do them anymore because I don't want to do promo videos because it's a bit scammy. I'll only do a promo video if I actually like the product. If it's just like, oh, you don't understand the amount of DMs, emails, messages I get about prop firm passing people. Like, oh, we'll give you a split. We charge £200. Like, we'll pass all your members' prop firm accounts and you'll get a split. Fuck off. No, I'm all right. The amount of them I get is unbelievable. Or like, can you make a video on TikTok promoting us? We'll pay you like £300. No, I'm all right, thanks. That's the most annoying one. I mean, I have the bot myself. Why would I bring in someone who I don't trust with all of your guys' trading accounts for a split when I can? I mean, I could just do it myself, but I'm not going to anyway because I don't really promote that type of stuff. That's about it really for this week. I'm pretty sure we're done. DXY has this really nice daily level that could be do a collab with offshore. Do you know I got offered to be flown out to where was it? Was it Singapore? No, Hong Kong. No. Fuck. Where was it? Was it that? I swear it was like Singapore or Hong Kong. They offered to fly me out. If I took the deal, they would fly me out there to have a meeting with them, and they would also get me residency or something like that. I don't know. It's something like that. Or they'd pay for like relocation or something. And I was like, no, thank you. Yeah, he like some really dodgy Forex broker. Yeah, then it's not worth it, man. I mean, I can just trade and make the money myself and do it. It is not. Yeah, you get quite a few offers, dodgy offers like that. I had another one from Dubai actually, and they said, what did they say? They said they'll pay for relocation as well, which was funny. So if I took the deal, they'd pay for relocation in Dubai. So they'd pay for like my flights, and I don't know what exactly they mean by relocation because they wanted me to move over to Dubai. No, it's not. No, I wouldn't say a celebrity. I just got a few followers on TikTok. That's it. The spreading though, I'll tell you that the spreading, the scammers are spreading. Because obviously I've started posting my stuff on Instagram as well now. So I don't know yet. I mean, I think you guys have seen. Also start posting on MCR Trading as well. Whoop whoop. Our reels don't work on PC. It doesn't load. Oh yeah, it does. Done these. They're not exactly amazing, but I've seen someone else do these type of videos and they do really well. So I just need to start posting on here. So posted these. I mean, let me turn the volume down. But it's just like really basic things. The quality looks a lot nicer on your phone. And obviously there's music, but where's Leon? There we go. Reels. So I've started posting them on my personal Instagram. However, obviously quite a lot of like my old like high school friends and people and college people follow me. And the fake scammers have created fake accounts of me, then followed all my old, well, not really friends, but people I knew in college and high school, started following them all and then DMing them all saying like, do you want to make money trading? Like I can flip $5,000 to $10,000, like spamming the comments and like spamming the DMs and stuff. And now I've had a bunch of messages from people I haven't spoke to in like 5 years saying like, is this you? Like, can I actually make like $10,000? Nah, it's not me. Because quite a lot of them, I mean, quite a few of them have obviously found me on like TikTok and shit, but a few people still don't know like what I do. So, you know, they think it's real, which is pretty funny. JT25 and US 500 all-time highs now, damn. Bad for driver alignment. Yeah, pain in the ass. Tell me about it. I know. Could see a nice little break and retest on that. Mental. Which means USD is not hella weak, because I think bonds are still surviving. They've had a nice little pullback. Obviously, there's a direct correlation between bonds and currency. Well, not direct, but there's a positive correlation. US 500 is negative or inverse. So I don't know. As long as bonds hold out, then I think USD should be fine. But if bonds continue to dump and US 500 continues to pump, yeah, USD is taking a hit. DXY is recovering the same as bonds, but I don't think this pullback's going to last. I think USD is going to take a dish. I don't know. It's going to take a bit of a hit. Depends if this holds off or not. We'll see. But yeah, if we start seeing some bearish movement on DXY and bonds, then with US 500 at all-time highs, it ain't looking good for USD. Yeah, let me try and turn the camera on just to say my goodbyes and farewells. Oh shit, my earphone fell out. Is it going to turn on? Oi, there we go. Yeah, so that is about it for this week's little session. Let me quickly check, because we'll do a... Do you guys still want me to do the mentorship sessions? Or you're not too bothered? Because most of you guys know how to trade my strategy. It's more for the new people, but there isn't as many new people. Well, there is, but I don't know if it's... I don't know whether to do it or not. Or do I do like sort of a backtesting / like Q&A session? Because the backtesting sessions we do weekly are more just it's not really a strict live stream. It's more of a chill session where we just all hop in, do some backtesting. Yeah, you want me to do them? Okay. Okay, I'll still do them then. Yeah, okay, sound. So yeah, I'll sort it out tonight on what days I'm doing it. We'll do a backtesting session where you can just join. You can ask questions. We'll go over some trades, do some backtesting. I'll do some data collection, show you guys how I do my data collection. You guys can do it too. Like, you guys can share your screens, talk, whatever you want. This live stream is more of a stricter, just me doing my stuff. And you guys ask questions, whereas the backtesting one's a bit more laid back. And then the mentorship one, again, is a bit more laid back compared to the analysis one. So yeah, I'll do one this week. I'll check my schedule for this week, and I'll pick 2 days to do it. And yeah, we'll do the fess up on Friday. Yeah, I'll check DMs. Yes, I will, Caleb. Yeah, sounds good. Right, I'll speak to you guys midweek. I'll post. No, I won't post. Oh yeah, I didn't do my weekly. Fuck, what do you call it? My slideshow thing. I completely forgot what it's called. What do I call it? My weekly breakdown thing. Watch list. Thank you. Fuck me. Weekly watch list. Weekly watch list. There we go. Right. Done. Dusted. I'll speak to you guys later. Tongue twister. Yeah, I've had plenty of those this stream. Jesus Christ. Cannot speak. Sounds good. I'm going to go on a run. Fuck me. 9 o'clock. Going to go on a run. Get some fresh air. And yeah, bedtime. Right. I'll see you guys soon. Hope you all have a good week. And